Hi there, I'm Matthew Msengati, the designer and developer. This is my YouTube channel, Coded Design, where I teach coding and user interface design. What is JQuery? JQuery is just a pretty version of JavaScript. What is JavaScript? JavaScript is a scripting language that runs on your browser, and also it runs locally on your computer. So unlike PHP, which runs on a server, JavaScript runs locally, particularly on your browser, on Google Chrome, Opera Mini, and something like Mozilla Firefox. So JavaScript is a program that runs locally. What it does, it's responsible for interacting with HTML and also making HTML dynamically, and also if you want to make and add some behavior to an HTML, you use JavaScript. Then how does jQuery features in the whole process? Then obviously JavaScript, it's not necessarily complicated, but it's a bit a technical scripting language, so meaning that it has got some a certain long form of doing things, and then jQuery comes into picture and make JavaScript a little bit prettier for people like us who don't know much about JavaScript. Then it, at least so that we can be able to get started with JavaScript using jQuery. In the industry term, it's called jQuery. It's a syntactic sugar, meaning that it just makes JavaScript taste better. It makes it taste sweeter. But in a more serious manner, it just means that jQuery, it's more like a lighter version of JavaScript. How light it is, for instance, let's say if you are required to write a function in JavaScript where you have to say function, function name, open curly braces and whatever. In jQuery, you're just gonna put a $sign to represent that whole code that you were supposed to write. So jQuery, it's simpler. I think it's light. It's just only this file. It's only this file, and that's it. It's simpler, it's light, it's easy to use, and also it's beginner friendly. So I'm Matthew Msengati. I'm starting some sort of a series of random videos. It's not a course of random videos around jQuery, starting from scratch for beginners. So if you are a beginner, you want to start jQuery, please do me a favor and subscribe so that you can be notified. Otherwise, for me, Matthew Msengati, that is it. Thank you for watching.